Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you an add-on to a video that we recently released for this birthdays app. Now, if you've not seen the video to that original birthdays app, I'll put the link in the description. But what this video is going to be about is an add-on so that the birthdays that you do add into the app automatically go to the next year every time. So this means you can add the birthday of the person once, and then every year it'll automatically just copy each year. So that means you don't have to maintain that list once you've added the birthday. Now let's just get straight into it. So as you can see here, here's the app that we created. And I'm just going to go to Power Automate Flow. So as you can see, this is the flow that we built last time. And I'm just going to add a couple of steps into here, and that'll just make it automatically copy. So first things first, I'm going to initialize a variable here. Date bar, make that a string. Now next what we want to do is, if you come down to the second condition, and we can open up that here, and then what we want to do is we want to add an action in the success path, and we want to do a set variable. I'm just going to rename this. Okay, so we want to select that date var that we declared here. I'm just going to add an expression here. Now I will put this expression in the description of the video, but what we want to do here is we want to set this variable, and we want to do an addToTime function, get that birthday from the value which we're looping through, add 1 year to that, and then we want to set it into that American format. So that's so we can put it back into the list. So if you put that there, that's going to be in the description of the video. And then next what we want to do is we want to add a create item. So this will create the item back into the list. So you want to navigate to the SharePoint list that we did earlier. And then with the title, you want to just grab the title from the get items. And then with the birthday, we want to use that date var variable. Now that should be it. So I'm just going to save, and I'm going to test this. So first, I'm just going to come back to our calendar. So as you can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a test record for today's date. So we can test it. So let's put test 4. I'm just going to save that. So I've got it in this view. So what I'm going to do is when I test this now, what this will do is will send us a message for this record here, and then you'll see it'll also add a new record to make this test for in 2024. So let's just test this now. Flew on successfully. And there you can see it's just copied that record. So as we can see, this will now just look after itself, this birthdays app. Every time it hits someone's birthday, it will just create the next year's birthday as well. And now you can just leave that list to go on and on. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.